Welcome back, dear students. Today's topic of discussion will be the back exercise of lesson 3 of English literature, that is Appu and the Carrot. Alright. So open page number 30 and read part A. Children, in this, few sentences are given to you along with the options. You have to choose the correct options to complete these sentences. Fine. So read the first sentence, that is Appu gets some dash. So two options are there, tomato or carrot seeds. So children, it will be carrot seeds. So tick part A. Appu gets some carrot seeds. Now moving on to the second sentence, that is Appu gets the seeds from a dash, shop or a school. So it will be part A. Appu bought the seeds from the shop, not from the school. Alright. Then the next sentence is dash will make halwa for the children. Appu or grandma. So it will be grandma. So tick option B. Next is dash carry the carrot home. Pom Pom and Appu or the children and Pom Pom. So it is part B, that is the children and Pom Pom, because Pom Pom and Appu was not enough to pull that big carrot out from the ground. Fine. Now come on part C. Circle the names of those who helped Appu pull out the carrot. Children, few names are given to you in the help box. You have to circle those names who helped Appu in pulling out the carrot out from the ground. Alright, let's read them one by one. First one is Tina. So, yes, Tina helped Appu. When he was not able to pull out the carrot alone, he called Tina for help. So, circle Tina's name. Then next is Minnie. She was also there because Tina called her. So circle the name of Minnie also. Then is Grandpa. So he was not there for help. Just leave it and come to the next one, that is Pom Pom. Children, yes, Pom Pom was there. In the last, when everybody failed to pull the carrot out, then they called Pom Pom. Circle the name of Pom Pom. Fifth one is Mother. So she was not there. Just leave it. Come on to the next one, that is Father. He was also not there. So leave this one too. Now last one is Raja. So Raja was also there. So put a circle on the name of Raja also. Now come on page number 31. Read part E. Read the words on the word wall. It is like seed, feed, need, page, cage, stage, pull, full, bull. Alright. Now circle the words from the word wall. You are given few sentences in which you have to circle those words that are there on the word wall. One example is shown to you. In the first sentence, the word feed is circled as it is there on the word wall. Fine. Likewise, you have to do in other parts also. Next is Arif will sing on the stage. So circle the word stage as it is there on the word wall. Next is we must not keep birds in a cage. So circle the word cage. Next is pull the door open. So the word pull will be circled. I hope this is clear. Now come on part F. Children, Grandpa wants to make vegetable salad. Circle the things he will put in the salad. So, children, first picture is of apple. then is cucumber, then is tomato, after that pumpkin, then capsicum, then carrot, and at the last it is pea. Children, you have to fill in the missing letters to name these vegetables. First one is starting with the letter P and ending with letter N. So it is pumpkin. Spellings of the pumpkin are Pumpkin. Fine. The next is carrot. Spellings are CARROT, carrot. The last one is capsicum. So the spellings will be CAPSICUM, capsicum. Is it clear? Now come on to page number 32. Just read part G. Fill in the blanks with is or are. First one is Appu and Pom Pom are in the room. So children, are is used here because we are talking about two persons. That is Appu and Pom Pom. So for singular things, that is for only one thing, we use is. And for plural things, that means more than one thing, we use are. Clear? Now second part is the fruits dash in the bowl. So it will be fruits means more than one fruit. So write are in the second blank. Then third one is a jug dash on the table. So jug is only one. So write is in the third blank. Then comes the next one, that is the pillows dash on the bed. Pillows means more than one pillow. So are will come here. Then read the last one, that is there is a toy on the rug. So why is used over here? Because there is only one toy. We are talking about one toy. So that's why is used over here. Fine. Now come on part H. Replace is with was and are with were and rewrite these sentences. So children, the first one is Gina is playing. So in the sentence, is written, replace it with was. Then it will become Gina was playing, and it is rewritten on the right hand side where the blanks are given to you. Fine. Likewise, you have to do the other one also. Next is Mummy and Papa are laughing. So replace are with were. So it will be Mummy and Papa were laughing. Clear? Also, you have to rewrite these sentences. Clear? Now children, just do the rest of the parts likewise. Clear? Now come on page number 33. No need to do anything on this page. Similarly, leave page number 34 also. Clear? Now come on page number 35. Children, on this part N, in this part N and this part O, you have to do these parts yourself. Fine? This is your homework. You have to do these two parts yourself. Clear? Children, I hope you understood. With this, we are done with our today's topic. Thank you. God bless you.